Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello everyone. I'll be presenting to you my app called Contain Health. It's a it's an app that's meant to target anyone who wants to store data and view it in a practical and useful way, like a line graph or something like that. So over here is the logo of my app. You can see it there. So yeah, let's go into it. So going in, we are introduced to these two pages, and then let's pretend we're a new user. There's two ways we can go about signing up for the app. There's the email address where we manually type in our email. So let us give an example. abcdng at gmail.com. And then in the username, let's just give it alphabets as the username. As password, we just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll just register it. Give it a moment. Registration successful. So we just log in using the email we just signed up with, right? So abcdurg at gmail.com. And then our password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sign in. And then we're in. Okay. Let's go back up quickly first. Okay, so over here there are multiple authentication methods, but so far I've only made one work, which was the Google sign-in method. So let's start it. We click on the Google sign up button. Give it a while. Then in here, let me just enter the email address of one of my things. Give me a moment. This is a business email at burner account. So as you can see, it uses the Google API to sign in. Hold on. I think it crashed. Sorry, give me a moment. Mm, give me a moment. I need to check on something. Oh, I lost connection of device. Okay, hold on. Let's just quickly do something real quick. Let's get rid of that. Start bugging. Sorry for the delay. It should take quite easily, quite fast. Give it at least 2 minutes alone. Just kidding. It doesn't take 2 minutes. It takes like 10 seconds. Okay, wait. Okay, just wait for the video inspector in the background to launch. Okay, let's continue where we were last at. We were displaying the Google sign-in method. So let me key in my information again. Hopefully it doesn't crash this time. This is an emulator, not problem, not a code problem, by the way. Basically, what is happening is just that the emulator is going through so many pixels, but it doesn't have enough CPU to run it all. Okay. Okay. I agree. This is the business account I recently created just to show you it working. So that's why you have to go through a lot of buttons and etc. Let's just press not now. See, as you can see, it's giving me suggestions for an account I just recently made one. So we click not now. It should bring us back into the app. Give it a while. Because whenever it came to the Google API, it takes a huge amount of toll on the CPU. App. And we should be logged in 3, 2, 1. Okay, brilliant. So over here, future enhancement suggestion is this will be daily updated or weekly updated. Basically, this contains news. Okay, so let's straight way go into the creation. So over here is where we can create an object. So let's just take a picture. Since this is an emulator, it cannot access a camera. So let's just use a burner. Yeah, something like that. Let's just focus on the TV over there and just capture that. Let's call that television. Okay. How many TVs do we want? Let's put 50. Okay. And then we choose a date. This one can go from any year, from 2021 to 2030. It's supposed to be representative of my SHA1 key, how long it lasts. Oh yeah, we got all the details filled out. You just create the object. Give you a moment while it does that. Okay, so you see the alert at the bottom. It just says object created successfully. If you want to see the object, we can go over here. So you remember this one here. So let's try editing something now. Let's try deleting data. So we just click here, remove the object, and stuff like that. You want to edit the picture taken instead of a TV. You want the green man. Let's do here. Take that and update object. Give you a moment while it updates. Okay, that's it. Updated. So now if we go into charts, you can see the value, which was at 2 million. So basically the whole idea of the app is that whatever quantity of an object you put in here, it will compare it against the date time and it will make a basically a line graph. So right now it's like this because I just recently deleted the 2 million one. But if we let's say we balance it out, like example this one, let's just make it instead of 30,000, I just put it 300 and take a picture, update it to cat over there. And let's update the object. Now we go here All right, give me a moment. There we go. If you can see in the line graph, it's a one massive curve because this is supposedly a it's supposed to be a line chart that shows the date against the quantity of an object. Right? It's written on top there. Now over here was supposed to be a was supposed to be a image recognition thing software where it would recognize the object using one of Google's APIs, which back then I did not know you needed to pay money for. So yeah, I can't unfortunately implement that here. Yeah, as you see, it does nothing. If you want to sign out, you can just click here. You want to see your object, click there. So yeah, that's basically my app. Thank you. Oh, I haven't stopped recording.